So last things last, I want to make sure I should have done this earlier to push this version up to the Collab server. So if I go to services, you can see I already have Collab enabled on here. All right, I've already gone through that step. Follow the links to the Unity documentation if you need to see that again. I have also, let's see, we'll go to the Collaborate tab. Now, if you're not seeing those, you can always go to the window and go to you'll see Collaborate, you'll see under General, you can go to see Services, all right? So Collaborate, there I am. You see there have been a couple of changes. My actual project has been changed, my main script has changed, and so on. So I want to say publish all changes, right? And I want to say added flashlight toggle, all right? Added flashlight toggle, and I see publish. Now, if at any point I could also see this one up here, you have files to publish. I could have clicked on that button, but because I went to the Collaborate tab, it kind of shortcutted me there. So if you see this little thing up here with a little blue arrow and your little snowflake, you can always click on that. You have files to publish, brings you there. And now I selected all, make sure to select them all, and then say publish. This is what actually pushes the file up to the server. Now it says, okay, I have pushed it up there. You'll see 2 seconds ago, 14 hours ago, yesterday, 2 days ago. All right, these are when I've been pushing all of those changes. All right, so I can see my history up here. I can see, do I have any changes on my local machine? Nope, I'm good to go. The snowflake is just a snowflake. That just brings me to that Collaborate tab, and it's all good. All right, so make sure you've done that. All right, now if you need to invite anyone, go to the Collaborate tab, click here, invite teammate. It'll bring you to the web page for that particular project. You can add members to your organization. You can make sure that they're part of your team. Kind of went through this in class. Read the documentation if you haven't already. You want to make sure that I am in here. You'll see yourself. And you'll also want to make sure that I am added. You can go ahead and type in my email address here if you like and say add. In this case, it says I'm already there. I'm already in there. And then make sure that Unity Teams Access says yes, seat type Unity Teams, and I can either be an owner, a manager, a user, a guest, whichever you're allowed, depending on what license you have. And it should be good to go. If it acts a little bit weird, maybe hit the refresh on your browser, because sometimes after it adds, it doesn't update right away, but sometimes it's actually gone ahead and added. It's kind of interesting. Now suddenly it's saying seat type blank. That's kind of odd. But I am in fact already there because I'm the organization owner. So let's leave it like that. Close that. And we're still good to go. All right. Look forward to seeing your projects.